But there's a question of a fire throwing debris that embeds in other buildings. That's not possible. That's not the force of a fire. That's the force of an explosion. And if you have a number of explosions pushing out that energy, that's what can happen. But you can't get explosions just from a fire causing a building to collapse. You just light anything on fire and let it collapse. It doesn't cause an explosion. You have to have explosives to cause an explosion. Now, if you're telling me that firefighters don't know what booms sound like, or they don't know what explosions are, that's up to you. And I don't think that all these firefighters got together and colluded to come up with some fake stories. So that's what you'd have to believe in order to believe that all of these separate testimonies of booms would be false. I choose not to believe that. Captain Karen DeShore, the commander at FDNY's Emergency Medical Services at the North Tower, said, "Somewhere around the middle of the North Tower, there was this orange and red flash coming out. Initially, it was just one flash. Then this flash just kept popping all the way around the building, and that building had started to explode. The popping sound, and with each popping sound, it was initially an orange and then a red flash came out of the building, and then it would just go all around the building on both sides as far as I could see. These popping sounds and the explosions were getting bigger, going both up and down and then all around the building. So here these explosions are getting bigger and louder and bigger and louder, and I told everybody if this building totally explodes, still unaware that the other building had collapsed, I'm going in the water." Sue Keene, a police officer for the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, said while discussing her experiences during the collapse of the North Tower, "There was another explosion. That sent me and the two firefighters down the stairs. I can't tell you how many times I got banged around. Each one of those explosions picked me up and threw me.